In a misty green valley surrounded by blue mountains, lived a little girl named Daisy. She wore a red cap everywhere she went, even to bed. Daisy was brave and curious. Every morning, she wandered through the wildflower field behind her house, searching for adventure with her friend Pip, a bouncy brown puppy. One sunny afternoon, Daisy and Pip followed a butterfly into a deep part of the forest. They giggled as they tiptoed across a log stretched over a babbling brook. Suddenly, Pip sniffed something odd under a pile of leaves. He barked and wagged his tail. Daisy gently brushed away the leaves and gasped. There, resting on soft moss, was a big egg with sparkling green and gold swirls. Intrigued, Daisy picked up the egg. It was warm and hummed gently in her hands. Just then, a soft rumble echoed through the trees. Daisy looked up to see a cloud of feathers and scales. It was a tiny dragon, barely bigger than Pip. The dragon had worried violet eyes and wings that drooped sadly. It tumbled out of the bushes and squeaked. "Oh dear," Daisy whispered. She knelt down, holding out the egg. The dragon blinked and crept forward. It sniffed the egg and chirped with relief. Daisy smiled. "You must be looking for this." With a sudden crash, a sneaky fox darted from the shadows, trying to snatch the egg. Pip barked fiercely and the dragon leapt between the fox and Daisy. Daisy's heart pounded like a drum. Not ready to give up, Daisy remembered her red cap, so bright and cheerful. She tossed it into the air. The fox's eyes widened and he chased after the fluttering cap, disappearing into the tall grass. The little dragon nuzzled Daisy gratefully. Carefully, Daisy placed the egg in a cozy bed of leaves. The dragon wrapped its tail around the egg, humming a sweet lullaby. Pip wagged his tail and snuggled next to his new friend. Daisy promised the dragon she'd visit often, bringing treats and stories about her adventures.